Hello everyone, I'm Christian.
And I'm Tracy.
And we are Tumbleweed RV Life, coming to you from the airplane. Actually, we are back at home. We just basically got back, got organized, kind of started looking back at our trip and figuring out what we learned about RVing in southern Baja. And we were quite surprised that it was not what we expected when we went down and researching RvLife in the Cabo area. Strangely enough, the one thing that we did notice is that there was hardly any RV parks in southern Baja. In the Cabo, San Jose, La Ribera, Los Berries, all the way up to La Paz, back down to Todos Santos. There's not a whole lot there.
The ones that are there are not there anymore. Is it Overlander? Overlander states that they are on the map. They're not there.
So that was a little surprising. But the one thing is that iOverlander will show you a whole bunch of places where you can stay overnight, you can boondock, informal camping, not too bad. And there's a lot of places you can stop that are not even on iOverlander. I think if I was in a boondocking situation down in that area, I would stay out of town. I would basically go along the ocean, focus maybe on the East Cape area, beautiful back there, up past Los Berries. Santiago has a few RV sites, and interestingly enough, yeah, what did Paul tell us at Buzzards?
I can't say that.
RvLife. The RvLife, basically where the water drains from the mountains when it rains.
Yes.
That floodplain.
It's federal land. It's federal land. You can camp everywhere that's federal land.
And you can stay there as much as you want. But a lot of other people actually do stay there. Because it's typically close to town and services and water. The RV parks that are around there, there's not that many. There's one in San Jose. There's a couple around Cerritos. There's one in Todos Santos. And what was your impression of the campgrounds that we saw?
I don't want to say dilapidated, but they really needed a lot of work. If you're boondocking, great. I don't think there was nothing spectacular. It was pretty bare, right, hon?
Yeah, I mean, basic services, close to no services. There was at Cerritos, there was some landowners or people that bought houses or land, built a house, and then put in some RV sites on their lots. Like, so they have 3, 5, 7 RV lots, but typically those are seasonal and they're booked well in advance. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking to go down and park somewhere for 6 months and you're not kind of traveling, exploring, boondocking, then that's a much more difficult situation.
Yeah.
Because the one thing we did not find are dump stations.
Yes.
There is nowhere down there to dump, so where do you go?
But our idea of getting a composting toilet for the trailer is back on.
I thought we were going truck camper. Truck camper with a composting toilet and a solar 12-volt system. Perfect for boondocking. I think it's perfect for down there. So, the one thing that we were able to find in plenitude, if that's a word, is water. Every small town has a water purification location, and you can find fresh water. We even found around beaches, beach access parking lots, you can find water there too. So we always felt pretty safe no matter where we went. Southern Baja is a safe place, and it gives us reason to keep developing our land. So on that note, catch us on the next trip and on the next video.
Bye for now.